We got houses where the water heater's 12 years old and they've never been flushed one time. It's almost like elderly abuse. They get tired, man, like everybody. So, no, in reality, they become less efficient if they haven't been maintained properly. We got houses where the water heater's 12 years old and they've never been flushed one time. It's almost like elderly abuse. So, it's just if it's not properly maintained and you're just not taking care of it and it's never had any kind of maintenance done, I mean, it's just going to stop working. I mean, it's just going to give up. Sometimes it's volume issue and then the age of the water heater too. So, you're only ever gonna get about 80% of the capacity out of that water heater tank brand new out of the box. So a 50 gallon. Now they do have first hour ratings and it's all this math and all that. But that 50 gallon water heater, you're only ever gonna get about 38 gallons of that water before it starts cooling off because you're now having to heat water as the cold water goes into the tank. So, you're always gonna be limited on how much water you're gonna get. Now you start adding sediment to the bottom of that. Now instead of actually having a 50 gallon tank, now you have like a 45 gallon tank because you have this much sediment at the bottom of it. So the older it is, the less maintenance it has, less efficient it's going to be, less hot water you're going to get.